we are going to be solving for the principal in our compound interest formulas. So the compound interest formula is A, our new amount, equals P, my principal, the starting amount, times 1 plus R, which is my rate. We take our rate, we always divide it by 100 to use it as a decimal, times divided by N. N is how many times it's compounded in a year. Again, raised to the N, which is how many times it's compounded in a year, times T. Those are exponents. So let's read this. Adil is going to invest in an account paying interest rate. So we know that that is our rate. So R, we're going to take that and divide it by 100. So 5.3 divided by 100, 0.053. It is compounded daily. So compounded daily, that's my N. I was going to say T, excuse me. That's my N. So how many times is daily in a year? How many days are in a year? 365. How much will she need to invest? So we're looking for my P. I want to know how much should be my starting amount. For the value of the account to be A, $250 in 11 years. So T is 11. Okay, so we're going to set this up and put this in our equation. We know that we want 250 was my A, equals P, which we're solving for, 1 plus 0.053 over 365, because it's compounded annually, raised to 365 times 11. First thing I'm going to do is find out what 365 times 11 is. Okay, 4015. So now I need to understand that we are multiplying that all by P, which means I can take that whole line and divide each side by that. So I'm dividing by 1 over 0.053 over 365 raised to 4015. And again on this side, 1 plus 0.053 over 365 raised to 4015. All right, so let's type that into the calculator. So 250 divided by 1 plus 0.053. Yes. Divided by 365 raised to the 4015. That means I need to invest that amount of money. We are rounding to two numbers after the decimal to the 100th place because we're talking money. So my answer is 139 and 56 cents.